Well done to Usipho Mbule, always raising the hands with national team. Pirates Takadlad. I think we prove everybody wrong. This guy deserves to play even with Pirates. I start Angolo. Because usnike any dimension, fact, Lamfani had to lose the ball. Upe, Maudalog number 10 gune traffic there. We play make fit. And well done to a police, half winger. I winger yake first half. Lamfani shaya their position go winger. And it's not the court in Kalingi, she can't take somebody on. But to Shangini vision. And the technical is very good in terms of kicking the ball. And he can score goals, vital goals. And in time, but I think in terms of Lamfana, actually I'm a player, a more skillful, talented, but unelicho for Paul, a core. That guy, uthola kale box ni ipola malangapha kule side draft inside. Uyazi ukuthi lingalenda a second ball win it and finish. And it doesn't need many touches. So well done with that. You just need to improve 1v1. Kune situation yenye la it's like beka dribble goalkeeper lela bhola ngabe ulikhiphe yazi bekuthi ngathi ngamthipha ngoba lapha beyangalikhipha ngapha phume ngapha kube 1v1 with a goalkeeper finish. But well done to him. I think he's a man of the match. He deserves it. This team, I deserve it.
Well, evidence Makgopa will go to the AFCON as a number 9. Of course, it will depend on whether Ulail Fosan or Ikram Reynasi are healthy. Today, he didn't disappoint. He did the job that he was asked to do. What do you think about him, his performance? Only tonight?
Yeah, tonight he did very well. We can't lie. Mina think straight. In fact, this guy did very well today. Joba ngisho master reposition. We don't want this defensive, like by rest defense, the so-called now in football modern, with the rest defense, this guy pulling there up front. We want to get you in the score sheet. Masinga Kulma man, just we speak tomorrow. We check in the history. When you go to World Cup, evident his name is there. Score. We're going to chat you by scoring goals. If you're scoring goals, and then ngizotimi na mabanga to hambe, ngizobnika that benefit of the doubt to korile. Yes, you might be there. But mina, if the especially kule game, ngithi ngiphendula kule game. But true mina. Evident, yes, I know. After scoring, after the performance today, he played very well.
It's not a bucky. It's the new Hilux Legend 55.